Okay, ito. So itong percentage humidity, HP. So basically sa HP, ang definition lang nito is H divided by HS times 100%. Ano? So ito yung HS natin. And then if you still remember, 0.0174 yung H. No? Let me clear this up. So let's try to calculate HP. By the way, hindi masyadong ginagamit itong dalawa na to. Madalang itong lumabas sa board exam. Ito lang talaga yung consistent na lumalabas sa board exam. Ano, yung humidity at saka yung relative humidity. So ang HP natin is basically H divided by HS times 100%. So, diba, this one is 0.0174. No? Kilogram water per kilogram dry air. Haba kasi yung unit. Alam niyo na yun, ano? Kilogram water per kilogram dry air yung unit ng humidity. Yung HS naman, yun yung 0.0222. Tapos times 100%. Okay? Ganyan lamang yung HP. Yan. I'm getting something like 78.37%. 78.38% pala. Do you have any question regarding HP? Sa batch nyo kaya, may magta-top? Maraming magaling sa batch nyo. Sana may mag-top din sa batch nyo. Basta wag lang kayong, kaya nyo yan. Muntik na nga natin ma-overtake ng UPLB eh. Parang pip sila, They have a, meron silang pip. Meron silang number 5. Konti na lang. Maybe in your, ma-overtake na natin sila. Dito, C, letter C. Percentage relative humidity, HR. So RH, usually RH yung gamit dito. RH, ang formula ng RH ay PH2O divided by P star H2O times 100%. Huwag nyo itong kakalimutan ha. It's very important. This formula, very important. So PH2O, ito yon 2.76 kPa. Tapos divide natin nung 3.5. Kung tandaan nyo pa, ito yung galing system table. Tapos times 100%. So ang relative humidity is 78.86%. 78.86%. Do you have any question regarding this problem? Regarding the calculation of humidity and percentage relative humidity, do you have any question? So if you don't have any question, probably it's better for you to perform the exercise on BBL. So go to BBL, tapos meron tayong problem doon. So try to answer the exercise on BBL. Humidity calculations. Kita nyo? Ano tayong exercise sa BBL? Bilisan nyo lang para mas marami tayong mag-discuss. I'll try to find the exercise in my slide. Nakita niyo na yung exercise? Good morning, everyone. This is our presentation on beauty industries. This is our group in four members. La Rosa, Venezuela, Madral, and Labong. You can find the exercise on 9.3 dash 1. Just try to solve humidity and percentage relative humidity. Our next character is Beast. Beast is the male character and protagonist in the movie. He is a cursed prince. He is the love interest of Belle. He is also very hot-tempered, but as the story progresses, his personality develops as time passes. As for Gaston, Gaston is the main antagonist. Dapat at this point, you're already in your third year. Actually, fourth year na kayo ngayon. Kasi 4 na taon na lang ang Chem. Marunong na kayo talaga dapat gumamit ng steam table. At saka mag-interpolate. Hindi ito eksakto so you need to interpolate para makuha niyo yung saturated pressure ng water. So since wala na tayong collab, matik na ha. Pag MWF 8:30, maghanap na kayo ng Zoom link. Ha? Automatic diretso na tayo sa Zoom. Hindi na ako, syempre wala na akong pupuntahan na collab na, hoy, doon tayo sa Zoom. Kumonek kayo sa Zoom. So matik na, pag MWF 8:30, maghanap na kayo ng Zoom link sa module 3. You need to know the reality. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Pag merong nangyaring untowards incident, kailangan yung mag-adjust. Ganun talaga yan. Nasa MCL kayo, you are daughters and sons of very good parents, no? Kahit na ganito yung sitwasyon sa Pilipinas, you are relatively siguro middle class, no? And pag tiningnan niyo yung pie chart ng Pilipinas, siguro mga you're in the upper 10%. That's the reality. So, dapat mana kayo sa parents nyo, dapat marunong kayong mag-adjust. Kayong magpapatalo. Kaya niyo. Kahit na babae kayo, kahit na lalaki kayo, kayo pa rin yung inaasahan na ng mga leader ng bansa natin. Alam niyo na naman ang current situation. Malapit ng kayo yung maging responsible. So try to be mature. Pag mas malaki ang blessing, mas malaki ang opportunity. Hindi opportunity. Mas malaki ang responsibility. Yan yung nakaatang sa inyo. Tapos na? Yan, you have four submissions. Kuha ba? Oops, mali. Probably you don't get, tama naman si Angela. Angela Nadine Peconado, very good. John Ezekiel Resurrection, very good. Lalaine Tunglos, very good. Kisha Biliana, very good. Okay, let's proceed. Probably ang medyo mahirap dyan is the steam table. Ano? So since tama naman yung tatlo, so tama naman siguro yung solution ko. So let's proceed. We shared my PowerPoint again. So doon naman tayo sa humid volume. Bakit hindi siya sumusunod? Okay, so aside from dry bulb is TDB, ano? This is the actual temperature of air. And then the wet bulb, napakita ko sa inyo na yung concept. Pag yung, if you saturate the air with water, so generally ang mangyayari sa air, bababa yung temperature nun. That's the wet bulb temperature. And then there's another temperature. This is the dew point. So kung tandaan nyo pa, yung dew point, this is the temperature at which a given air water mixture will be saturated at constant humidity. This is known as the dew point. So yung kanina kasi, yung wet bulb, hindi constant yung humidity nun. So as you can see, di ba, dun sa psychrometric chart, pataas yun. Pataas yung directional line natin. Ibig sabihin, nag-i-increase yung humidity habang nilalagyan natin siya ng water, yung air. So that's the wet bulb. Pero pag constant yung humidity at a given temperature, at tapos naging saturate siya, ibig sabihin pinapalamig natin yung air, tapos naging saturated siya sa water, ang tawag doon ay dew point. No? Parang alimbawa, 'di ba, you're drinking cold water in a glass. Tapos mapapansin niyo yung glass, 'di ba nagkakatubig sa labas, no? So bakit ba siya nagkatubig sa labas? Kasi yung air na nakapalibot dun sa glass, meron yung water. Tapos pag tama nung air sa glass na malamig, naabot nung air yung dew point niya. So that's why merong liquid, no? Merong hamog na nagdi-deposit doon sa glass. Na-imagine niyo ba? Basically, yung air, pag tumama siya dun sa glass, bumababa yung temperature niya. So, naabot niya yung dew point. So, kaya nagkakaroon ng liquid yung glass. You're very familiar with that experience? Okay, so that's the dew point. Ano? Pag constant yung humidity, you cool the air at constant humidity, you're going to get the dew point. So, pag given yung dew point, sa psychrometric chart, as you can see right here, pag given yung dew point sa psychrometric chart, you just draw a horizontal line and then you're going to get the humidity in the psychrometric chart. Ano? Question? Cooling and unsaturated air, halimbawa ito yung air natin, no, will make it saturated. And then yung temperature niya, pag yung first drop ng dew na produce, that is known as the dew point. Do you have any question? Okay. So let's discuss some more concepts. So next is humid heat, C sub S. C sub S is the specific heat of air, no, with water. Air with water. Ibig sabihin, air na merong amount of water, small amount of water. So ang formula ng specific heat of air-water mixture is sa SI unit is C sub S is equals to 1.005. This is in kilojoules per kilogram per Kelvin. Ano? So basically itong 1.005, ito yung specific heat ng dry air. Halimbawa, ano ba ang specific heat ng ng water, ng liquid water? 'Di ba 4.184? No? 'Di ba 4.184? So ang air, syempre, na-imagine niyo naman, medyo mas mababa specific heat nun. So it's just 1.005. So plus 1.88 and then H is the humidity. So itong 1.88, this is the specific heat of steam, of water vapor. 1.88 yon. So ito, ang unit nito, kilojoules per kilogram of water vapor per Kelvin. Yung humidity naman ay kilogram of water per kilogram of dry air. So magka-cancel yung kilogram of water. So this will have the same unit. Itong term na to will have the same unit as the first term. Kilojoules per kilogram of air, dry air per Kelvin. No? So sa naman sa English, we have 0.24. So 0.24, ito yung specific heat ng air in English unit, in BTU per pound mass per Rankine. Itong 0.45, ito yung specific heat ng steam, ng water vapor, in BTU per pound mass per Rankine. So pag multiply nyo ng H, parehas lang naman to, whether it's kilogram per kilogram or pound mass per pound mass, parehas lang yun, Kasi magka-cancel out din lamang yung unit ng weight. Tama? Kilogram per kilogram is the same, is numerically equal to pound mass per pound mass. So you're going to substitute the same humidity. Numerically equal values of humidity. Magkaiba lang siyempre yung formula nila. Okay? Any question regarding the formula? You only need to remember it. You only need to memorize it. Tapos sunod, we have the humid volume, V sub H. So humid volume is the volume in cubic feet or cubic meter of 1 pound mass or 1 kilogram of air-water mixture at 1 atmosphere at specified temperature. Basically, ang unit ng humid volume ay cubic feet per pound mass of dry air. Cubic feet of air per pound mass of dry air. O kaya naman, cubic meter of air per kilogram of dry air. So this is at 1 atmosphere, no? At specified temperature. So ang formula ng humid volume or V sub H is 22.415 right here. Kung natatandaan nyo itong 22.4, ito yung cubic meter per gram mole. Tandaan nyo pa yon sa GenChem. Ito yung 22.4 liters per mole. Kaya dito, in-expand lang natin, 22.415. This is actually, ang unit nito is cubic meter per kilogram mole. Tapos ito yung temperature factor. Di ba pag tumaas ang temperature, lalaki yung volume. So that's why we have here 2 divided by 273. No? Tapos times 1/29. So yung 1 dito, this is the number, ito yung 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram of air. Dry air, 1 kilogram of dry air divided by 29. 29 is the molar mass of of air. So kilogram divided by molar mass, this will give you the number of moles. Tapos H, ito yung humidity, di ba kilogram water naman to, divided by 18. So actually this term will give you the number of moles of your air. Tapos dito, divide to 22.415 cubic meter per kilogram mole. So magka-cancel out yung kilogram mole. Yung magiging unit nito ay cubic meter per kilogram of dry air. Ganun, Nasusundan ba? Halimbawa ito, ang unit nito, itong 22.415 cubic meter. Sorry. Ay, ano ba nangyari? Layo ng pinuntahan. No, na ako. Loss. Let me annotate this. Yung 22.415, kasi kailangan nyo itong i-memorize eh. So dapat logical yung dating. Yung 22.415, ang unit nito ay cubic meter per kilogram mole. So what you can do, di ba kung natatandaan nyo pa sa GenChem, di ko alam kung natatandaan nyo, yung 22.4, ito yung liters, at STP, standard temperature pressure, per mole. So yun din yun, ginawa lang cubic meter per kilogram mole. Tandaan nyo ba to? Na-encounter nyo ba to? 22.4 at STP. So ito rin yun, 22.415. Tapos ito yung temperature factor. Di ba pag tumaas ang temperature, imagine niyo, di ba lumalaki yung volume ng gas pag tumaas ang temperature? So that's why we have there T divided by 273. So itong 22.4 kasi STP, 0 degrees Celsius yan. Yun yung 273. So pag tumaas siya sa 273, lalaki to. So that's why we have this factor. Pero unitless naman to kasi temperature over temperature. So walang problema yun sa unit. This one, ito, kilogram mole to. Ito. This is kilogram mole. So let me explain. Yung 1 dito, yan yung 1. That's 1 kilogram of dry air. So kaya dinidivide natin ng 29. 29 is the molar mass of air. No? This is the molar mass of air. So ganun din sa H. Yung H naman, ang unit ng H, kilogram water per kilogram dry air. So pag dinivide nyo to ng 18, magiging kilogram mole of of water. No? Itong una, kilogram mole of dry air. So kilogram mole of dry air plus kilogram mole of dry air plus kilogram mole of water, you're going to get the total kilogram mole of air. So pag minultiply nyo yan dito, basically ang unit nito is kilogram mole of air per kilogram dry air. Ganun yan. So ang mangyayari, pag minultiply nyo dito, magka-cancel out ito. Nasundan? So ang magiging unit ng humid volume is cubic meter per kilogram dry air. Do you have any question? Sabi ko sa inyo, mag-effort kayong intindihin. Hindi pwedeng gagamitin nyo lang yung formula. Dalawa ang disadvantage nyo. Madali nyo makakalimutan, no? At saka mahihirapan kayong mag-memorize. So baka nga mag-resort pa kayo sa ano, sinisilip nyo yung PowerPoint habang nag-e-exam. That's very bad. Pero I don't have any control on that. Kahit na naka-manicam tayo, some people have an extra monitor. Napakadaling magkaroon ng extra monitor. Pero sa inyo rin naman yun. Board exam. Napakasakit bumaksak sa board exam. I-unfriend mo ang dapat mong unfriend. Lalo na ngayon. Do you have any question? Did you understand the justification of this equation? You need to understand the justification in order to remember this formula. Basically, it's dimensional analysis and ideal gas equation combined. Okay, yung 359. 359 naman, ito naman ay cubic feet per pound mole. So, ganun din actually yung story niya. Ano? This thing here, ang unit niya ay pound mole of air per pound mass, no, of dry air. Okay? So magka-cancel out ito. Air yan. Magka-cancel out yun. Ang matitira na lang dyan ay cubic feet per pound mass dry air. So do you have any question regarding humid volume? So kung wala, tingnan natin kung masosolve pa natin yung problem. We have 4 minutes. Ito pala muna. Ito yung psychrometric chart. Ano? So, pag given yung wet bulb, ito yung ano. We have 4 psychrometric charts sa handbook. Kung tandaan nyo pa. Alam ko na-discuss ko to sa ano sa checkout. Merong 4 na psychrometric chart sa handbook. 2 English, 2 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 SI, 2 degrees Celsius. Ano? Yung isa low temperature, yung isa high temperature. So basically what I'm trying to say is you can read the wet bulb right here. Dito yung wet bulb. Ano? Nandiyan yung wet bulb. Ito, yung wet bulb lang naman kasi yung gamit niyan. And then these are the wet bulb line. This one. These are the wet bulb line. Ano? Yan. So basically ang gagawin nyo, you locate the dry bulb right here. This is the dry bulb. You locate the dry bulb, you locate the wet bulb. And then yung kanilang intersection, halimbawa ito yung intersection nila, you extend it right there, ito yung humidity. No? So, ulit, ito yung wet bulb, ito yung dry bulb, ito yung humidity. Okay, makikita nyo naman mamaya pag nag-solve tayo ng problem. Okay, this is the problem. Pag naputol tayo, we only have 2 minutes. Connect ulit kayo sa bagong sunga. Air entering a dryer has a temperature, dry bulb temperature of 60 degrees Celsius and a dew point of 26.7 degrees Celsius. You need to determine the humidity. So hindi nyo pwedeng gamitin yung formula na ginamit natin kanina. Sa bagay, dew point. Actually, dew point pwede pa rin. Pero we're going to use the hindi nga pala wet bulb yung problem. We're going to use the psychrometric chart to determine the humidity. Ano? So madali lang naman yan. Dew point ang given, so you just draw a horizontal line sa dew point. So just locate the dew point on the wet bulb curve. Tapos you just draw a horizontal line. So may humidity na kayo. Then calculate humid heat. So halimbawa SI to 1.004 plus 1.88. H is humidity. Nakuha na natin yung humidity. So ganun lang naman yun. Ano? And then humid volume, SI, so we're going to use 22.415 times T divided by 273 times 1 over 29 plus H divided by 18. Ganun lang, ano? So first, let's try to get the humidity. Yun, ganun lang, ano? Ito yung dry bulb. Draw lang kayo ng horizontal line, makukuha niyo yung humidity. Ganun lang. So ito lang yun, ano? So given na 26.7, so this is 26.7, tapos basahin nyo lamang dun yung humidity. So this is approximately 22.2, no? So 0.02, kasi ito grams to eh, so times 1,000, divided by 1,000. So 222, tatlong 2, 0.022, 0.022 pwede na siguro. No? Ito, 20 grams kasi to, grams per kilogram dry air. So divided by 1,000, kasi this is 20, this is 22. This is another 2. So 222. Tatlong 2 ano? So points 20 divided by 1,000. How many zeros do we have? 0.0222. Tatlong 0. No? So the humidity is dito na lang. Yan, ganyan. Ano? This is the second 2. This is the third 2. You get it? Yun yung nakalagay kay Gene Copies. Ano, I'm going to share another link, baka mabitin lang tayo.